Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, driving in Jamaica. Okay, today we're driving through Kingston. We are on Hope Road, heading towards the Halfway Tree area. On the right is Jamaica House, which is the office of the Prime Minister. No. You know, it's a very good question. I know Jamaica House is a government house, but the Prime Minister has the office of the Prime Minister, which is at the back of Jamaica House. So what exactly happens at Jamaica House? I guess it's some government. It's supposed to be the official place where the Prime Minister works, but the Prime Minister has the office of the Prime Minister, which is a newer building, a newer structure, and you enter from Devon Road. So what exactly happens at Jamaica House? If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Okay, we just turned left onto Arden Road, and Arden Road is most famous for the Arden High School. This, on the left, you'll see a lot of commercial buildings, office spaces that are rented, and then on the right is the Arden High School. Now Arden is one of the top schools in Jamaica. In Jamaica, you have, for those who aren't Jamaican, you have to do an exam in prep school, and you have to give 5 choices of the high school you want to go to. Now, though top schools like Arden, you have to, the persons with the higher marks get priority in the school they want. So only persons that get the highest marks will go to Arden. That's just how the system is. Some countries you get placed according to where you live, but in Jamaica you get placed according to the results on the exam. Everybody gets a place, but if you don't do well on the exam, you might end up getting your 5th choice. So if somebody gets a 95 on the exam and somebody gets an 80, the person who gets the 95 is going to get the pick, their first choice pick, basically. So basically you can say nobody goes to Arden unless they get a 95 and up on the exam. That's just how the system works. And unfortunately, schools like Arden are very good academically, and everybody wants to go to those schools. I guess it's the same all over the world. People want their kids to go to the better schools. Okay, this is the Trafalgar Park area, and straight ahead, those buildings, that's New Kingston. That building on the right, the grayish looking building, that's the Sagicor head office. That's the Danny Williams building. It's actually, I think, the 9th tallest building in Jamaica, but it's on the list as amongst the top 15 tallest buildings in Jamaica. Now straight ahead is the atrium. This building is the head office for NCB, and NCB is the largest commercial bank in Jamaica. And this is the parking lot. There's a drive-through ATM right ahead, and this is one of the parking lots for the atrium. Actually, we're going to, I don't know if we can. We're going to drive through, but we're not going to bother. Okay, so this is the New Kingston area now. This is, oh my God, what's the name of this road? Houghton Terrace. And the most famous place on Houghton Terrace is JMMB. And here is JMMB on the right. Coming up to it now. Well, in Jamaica, you know, most times people say, oh, when they're trying to think Horton Terrace, where is Horton Terrace? And then somebody says, oh, JMB. And I say, oh, yes, 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 I know where it is. Every road has like a landmark, something that you can easily identify it as. So somebody might be like, where is Knutsford Boulevard again? And they'll be like, yeah, man, right where you have the NCB Bank. And I say, oh, yes, 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 I know where it is. Alright, so we're now still on Horton Terrace, heading back towards Trafalgar Road. On the left is the PCJ building, that's the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica. And they're always in the news for some let's just say they're always in the news. Okay, so straight ahead, if we turn left or right, that would be Trafalgar Road. If we go straight across the light, that would take us on to, I think it's Ripon Road. It's 10 o'clock on a Monday morning, so that will give you an idea of what the traffic is like at this time. That building straight ahead, the high-rise building, that's a Sagicor office. Sagicor has a lot of buildings around New Kingston. Alright, so we're now going to turn left onto Trafalgar Road. That building, that white high-rise, that's an apartment building. And here you can get a better view of the atrium, which is the NCB head office. If you notice the logo, NCB recently changed their logo. Okay, we're turning left onto Garilla Avenue now. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.